So let's do this. Here we said including an 8% sales tax. It's not discount.
Yes.
It's what? It's addition.
It's addition.
We are
Yes.
adding to the price, right? He said,
Yes.
and in charges, they charged him 162. That's including what? The sales tax. Okay. Find
Yes.
the nightly cost before the tax is added. So let X be the original price. So the original price is X. Okay, this is the original. What do I have to add to it? I have to add how much taxes?
0.08.
And how much total you paid?
162.
So if you add this together, what you're going to get? 1.08x equal what? 162. And then what do we do next? Divide by what?
0.08 in the both sides.
And what you're going to get for the answer? X equal what? 150.
50.
So that's what you pay per night, plus the sales tax. Okay, let's go to the next one. Read them on.
طيب okay. Traveling price of refrigerator of refrigerator is $874,050 if the markup is 10% of the dealer's cost. What is the dealer's cost of the refrigerator? Yeah. الظاهر يا دكتور بس السؤال مو كله واضح.
Okay, so let me make it zoom out.
Of the refrigerator cost of the refrigerators.
Okay, so this is the selling price. He's selling it for how much? 874.50.
Yes.
The markup is 10%. He wants to know the cost. What is the cost of the dealer? Yani how much he bought the refrigerator from the wholesale dealer.
دكتور
Dealer.
دكتور
Yes.
ايش يعني مارك اب؟
markup يعني زي ايه بيحط زيادة يعني.
اوكي.
So let's original price be X. Okay. Now, how much markup زيادة? How much extra he wants?
10%.
10%. So 10% is going to be
0.10
and plus X equal how much he paid. He sold it for
874.50.
Right. Now, can we add this together? What are you going to get? 1.10x equal 87450. Divide 1.10. Yalla, tell me by calculator how much.
$795.
Good. So we get the answer. He bought the fridge from the wholesale dealer for the amount of 795. Is this clear?
Yes.
Yalla, next one. Who can read the next one?
I will read.
Yalla, go ahead.
Determine whether the relation is a function. Give the domain and range for the relation.
Okay, so can you tell me, is this a function or not function? You look at
It's
X. Is X is repeated?
Yes, 3 times.
If X is repeated, that means function or not function?
Function. Or
No,
not
not
function.
Okay. And what is the domain?
The domain is 6, the relation.
And what is the range?
8, 9, and 10.
That's it. Good. What if I give you a table like this, for example? Okay, this is X and this is Y. And I say, Muhammad,
Yes, doctor.
and I wrote down here Muhammad, and I put Ali here, and I put Sami here, and I put money here in this one here, maybe 500, maybe 30, 400, or 900. Is this a function or not function?
It's not function
Why?
because Muhammad is repeated.
Yes, Muhammad repeats. Good. So this one not function. Is this clear يا مهند؟
يس دكتور كلير، ووضحت حتى فكره ان اتس نوت فانكشن عشان ما هي بداله، والسبب انه مهند متكرر.
Good. يلا next one. Who can tell me what is okay? Here, how much is X?
0.
0. So if you put 0 here, what's the answer?
11.
11. Good. If you put 4 here, what's the answer?
Negative 73.
So the answer will be what? Negative 73. If you put negative 4, what's the answer? Will be how much? 63. If you put 1, you got the idea? You get some value, and then
Yes.
this is f of 1. Now you try f of what? Negative 1. So you have and then you get the value, right? When you get these two value, what do you do with them? You add them. So you add whatever comes here, let's say for example there is value here and there is a value here. You add the two values together, okay, and that give you the answer. Is this clear or not clear?
Clear.
Because this is f of 1 plus f of minus 1. Okay, let's move to the next one. Select the best answer completes given statement. The graph of a function is the graph of its what? Order pair. Correct. Number 34. If any vertical line intersect a graph, okay, in more than once, the graph does not define as a function. It's not a function. So if I have a graph like this, and you have a vertical line test like this, cut the graph in how many points? In 2 points. That means it's not what? Not a function. Next one. Graph the given function f and g in the same rectangle coordinate system. Select the integer for x starting with -2 and ending with 2. That describe how the graph of g is related to the graph of f. So here I have how many functions? 2 functions, right? So you have to graph it one time here, and you have to graph it one time here. And put the points and you graph them here. I think you did this before, right? You remember this one?
Class, yes.
Okay. Do you have any question about this one? Is easy or hard?
It's easy.
Okay, and he's telling you to describe what happened for of G to related to the F. So what is G? G is which one is G? I think this one is G, right? This one. That is G, right? Well, this is F. This is F. And which one is G? The one in the top. So what happened here?
We
Yalla, count.
stop from the 0 and we go up.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many units up?
6.
6 or 7?
Can you do it again because it's not clear? It's very small.
Okay, let's do it again. I don't even see it. So let's see. So we're gonna go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's six unit up. Okay. Okay. So how can we write this? We're gonna say what we're gonna say in English. Okay, here in English it said here. The graph of G is a graph of F shifted up by how many units? 6 units. Is this clear?
Yes.
All right. Let's move to the next one. Select the best answer. A solution to a system of linear equation in 2 variables is order pair that what? Ya Muhammad, read. Satisfy both equation in the...
Satisfied both equations in the system.
Good. Next one. I'm gonna skip this. You know how to grab this, right? You know how to grab this? Yes or no? Grab each one. So grab this one and then grab this one. So graph number 1 and then graph number 2. We did this in class before. Let's go to the next one. Use substitution. Okay, which one is good for substitution? Replace y by negative 4x in equation
دكتور
1.
حضرت ولا لا؟
In equation 2. So x plus 2, x plus y equal negative 12. So how much is y, Muhammad, here?
Minus 4x. Plus, yes. Because minus
So
4.
you're gonna get 3x equal what?
3 minus 3x equals minus 12. X equals
So
minus 4 صح لأنه negative and negative positive.
and how much is y?
Y it will give us minus 4. في 4 حتطلع 16.
So what's your answer? 4 negative 16. Is this
Negative.
clear?
Yes.
All right, let's move to the next one. Does anyone